Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to play EA Sports Episode 27 with EA Play on Steam. So if you want to play this game with EA Play, then all you have to do is go to the search bar of Steam and search here EA Play, and then you should be able to find this EA Play membership. Although this is a standard EA Play membership, which means you will only get Episode 27 access for 10 hours. Once the 10 hours trial period ends, you won't be able to access the game. However, if you still want to play Episode 27 for unlimited time with EA Play, then instead of using Steam, we need to install EA app, and in this app search for Episode 27, then select the game, and instead of using this EA Play standard, we need to go for this EA Play Pro, which will cost you more than standard EA Play, but it will give you 7 days of early access and all of these stuffs, so that you will be able to play the game with EA Play for unlimited amount of time without getting restricted for 10 hours. Hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching.